As a company formed in 1964 here in the West Midlands, we are very proud of our heritage, with over 50 years now of manufacturing experience here in the Black Country. Last year, in our year ended April 2017, our turnover was around £127 million. And this year, in the year ended April 2018, we hope to be close to the 150 million turnover mark. We are here to service the requirements of our customers, and we believe that Hadley Group has several unique aspects which are really important to it in our aim to achieve that end. We make much of our own machinery. We also manufacture much of our own tooling, and the understanding that that gives us of the process of roll forming enables us to offer to our customers a unique service, helping them to develop the next generation of their key products. And of course, that broad, extended opportunity is also something that our employees take forward. The pride that they have in their work and the opportunity which they take to learn new skills and develop new opportunities on behalf of our customer base. Thank you.